What is going on, Mini Brands fam? This is Mini Brands with Nat and Eli, and we got some cool things going on today. But before that, I just wanted to show you how many we have accumulated over probably less than a month. Crazy, and we have so many more to open. But first, we're gonna get started with some Laughing Cow cheese. We don't have the Laughing Cow anymore because well, yeah.
I didn't lose it.
It misplaced it. We'll find it eventually. So we're gonna keep the box, but we're gonna have some of this cheese so we can find out what it's like. There's a little string right here.
It's in my room, but somewhere. You lost it.
Grab some crackers.
Sure.
This is what they look like. Here's the Laughing Cow.
Oh, man.
Yeah, they're little like pieces.
Little cubes?
Yeah.
They're not cubes.
They're like
They're
wedges.
triangles. They're pizza. Pizza slices.
Remember how to do this.
There's a little red thing. So.
Yeah, you just pull the red thing and then the top comes off.
No, we eat it with some crackers.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my God.
This stuff is awesome.
Well, it looks good.
No, you can just use the cracker.
It looks good.
I thought you might need it, but no. Haha! That was my sister. Over the camera.
Coffee patty. Oh, yeah.
It's really soft.
It's not like...
You like cream cheese? It's kind of like cream cheese, but it's just cheese.
So good.
It's good? Yeah.
All those fatties.
Alright, so we're going to get started off with mine today. I bought something at the store. And I just thought it was cool, so let's open it. There wasn't more than one, so I just got the last one. And since there was only one, I can't give them both one. It's the Mini Brands Series 3 Collectors case. So it comes with, let me see how many, 5 exclusive minis inside. I got a little fork here. What do you guys think about the cheese? Super good. I love it.
You have to get another habit tried.
Oh, I don't know what flavor the one that we had was in the mini, but it was like orange. It was like orange or red.
It was orange.
So here's this collector's case, and once we find more, then we can all get one. But let's see it together, y'all.
What? You? Oh my God! That's
like,
the one that has the diamond on top of it. What? I want the Mentos.
Oh, it's Mentos straw.
Look at the pest. We have a pest.
Blue fresh cotton candy.
Look at the pest.
Here.
Look at the
Oh,
pest.
the mustard.
It's open.
Okay. Wow.
Can you see that?
Yeah, it's open. Yeah, it's crazy, huh? It's big. It's way bigger than the other one.
Yeah, the smaller one.
No, it won't open. It won't work. But it looks like it does. Really cool, huh? Let me see.
What is that? A drumstick. I think we have one of those.
So it's a little smiley face Pez dispenser.
That's
I've never
cute.
seen one of these in real life, like this version. Of course, I've seen a Pez dispenser.
That one's cool.
I thought we did have this too.
No, we haven't.
Drumsticks. Why does it look familiar?
It looks familiar to something that you have.
Oh, the Swizzler box.
No,
That one.
the candy box. Yeah, that one.
Let me see. Grab it for me.
Yeah.
So it is by Swizzlers. It's the drumsticks. I've never had these before in my life.
I don't even know what they are.
No, never. I've never seen Swizzlers products. And other YouTubers who do this too have said that they haven't found the Swizzlers in their stores either.
I wish you get the super sour.
Okay, so let's put these back in their place since we all checked them out.
Here?
Uh-huh.
I'm excited for that one.
We got half more.
Get the sour thing.
Mustard.
Okay.
Oh,
Honey grams.
come on. Oh,
What is that?
you dropped it.
Grape nuts. Grape nuts. That's awesome. And it's chocolate. Honey.
Chocolate crackers?
Yeah, it's chocolate graham crackers.
Oh, yum.
There's that. I'll post better pictures at the end. These are pretty cool. I've seen that a lot of people on YouTube or on Amazon, when they're like buying them, say that there's nothing in here, and it says right here 5 exclusive minis inside, and that's it. It doesn't say it's full. This is to fill up. Let me see. I lost my little paper. But, so this is a little paper.
I was wishing to get the
These are my minis.
super sour thing.
I know. I've been looking for that one for you for a long time, buddy.
I want the mustard.
So let's see what fits in here. No way.
What?
The Dum Dums barrel fits in here. Here, I'll show you guys so you guys can see. This is what it's for. So you get some and then you put them in there.
Oh, that's so cool. I have animal crackers.
Perfect
Those,
right there.
I have those.
Yeah, you do. You got them last time. Okay, let's see what else I got.
Okay.
Icy?
Can you get the baby though?
My Icy fits in here. Featuring Mario. We're gonna make him famous. We got the Icy right there. What else? Baby Bell, where is it? I thought I got one.
You did.
It's right here. So it's just a case to fill up and collect the ones that are in here. Let's see if I have any other ones. It doesn't look like it though. So I'm missing all the rest of those.
The mustard and the
So hopefully we
super
find something today.
sour. I want the super
And then
sour.
on the other side,
What?
I got some of those. I got some of those. I got
I
hot
have you got
tamales.
the Teddy Grahams and the Hershey's.
What? Did I get rid of my hot tamales? I thought I had some too.
But you have the Hershey's.
I have the Hershey's bar. Let's put it in here.
And the Teddy Grahams.
Where? And the little Teddy
I wish you
Grahams.
get those. And you got this one.
Yeah. That's why I was liking it, cause this is my favorite piece. Well, I can't say it's my favorite piece because there's Tapatio and Icy that are really good too.
I really want one.
And anything else?
We'll make
No?
the dates.
I thought I had the oats. No, I don't. Chicken wings. No, I don't have those either. So there we go. This is what I have so far. I'm sure some of these other ones fit in these boxes, but I actually want to fill it with what it says on the paper. So we'll put this paper back in here. Let's see what else we got today. Alrighty, y'all. Excuse our commercial interruption, but we had a little conversation. Alrighty, y'all. Let's see what we got.
Can you get the one that's heavier?
Rock, paper, scissors, and who can pick which one you want?
Paper, scissors, shoot.
Dang, you always win. You can pick which one you want first.
I really
You can
don't-
feel them, you can shake them.
I already know which one I want.
They're all heavy because I picked all the heavy ones. Huh, they're all
I know
heavy?
which one I want.
And they're all loud,
I
huh?
want this one.
You want that one? Okay.
I was gonna pick that one. Wait, let me.
Oh, you want to weigh them both? You want to weigh them both?
I think I'll get this one.
Okay. So they all have good noises. They all have
Oh
good
my god,
noises.
that was the best one.
Yeah, it
this was
was.
the second best one. And I'll pick it.
Yeah. Okay, so let's switch the cameras and let's get it started. Now, good luck.
Try a perfect zip.
Let's see. Oh man, yes, last night I was opening one, or 2 nights ago, and I hurt my finger like you did.
It was bleeding, right?
Yeah.
That happened 2 times actually.
Ooh, that was a good set.
For anybody who's wondering, we were watching E.T. in the background. So if you hear anything,
That was close.
I was so close.
That was
I had
really
this
close.
left.
that was really close. You know what makes me laugh? That video where you were like, you just gotta be patient with it. And then it didn't even open. That was funny.
What do you get?
Break them apart. Break it all apart.
Okay, that's what I just.
Open the hard one last. Because that one's gonna be the best one.
Let's open that one first.
I don't see anything.
Oh my god, let's see what it is. Oh my god, what is
Yeah, I got help.
She really wanted that.
I wanted
Before the
any
camera was
chocolate
on,
bar.
she said she wanted a chocolate bar.
Yeah.
Heat?
That's awesome.
That
I'll show you guys better pictures at the
Heath?
end.
Heath?
That's so cool.
That's
That's
awesome.
awesome. Okay, from
And you like that one. You were
Yeah, I
asking me
love
about
it.
it last time.
I wish it was a yes bar.
oh, this
or
one's
yes
the
day bar.
another light one. I really
Mike
wanted
and
this one
Ike's.
too.
That's the one
Mike
I
and Ike's.
Oh, that's awesome.
And I love these.
That's the
These
one
are
I
so
got.
good. Yeah, I love those.
You're not gonna believe it.
What?
It's glow in the dark.
No,
It's glow in the
no.
dark.
No.
That one's glowing in the
It's
dark.
glow in the dark.
What?
You can tell because right here, if you run your finger across the top, it's bumpy. Feel it bumpy?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
No way. No way.
Oh my gosh.
Here, I'll do it while you're opening the next
What?
one.
Mine wasn't glow in the dark, right?
No,
Because
it
it
wasn't.
wasn't.
It was smooth.
That's
see.
cool.
I'll show
No,
you
no way.
Here, open the next one and I got
That's not fair.
you.
Okay, this one's the other light. I'm so
She
scared.
keeps getting the good ones.
I know.
I picked
She
a
got a
really good
good ball.
Oh,
she got the same one
Oh.
as you guys.
Dose and Co. Collagen.
Yeah. Did it? Did it work?
Oh my gosh.
Did it work?
Did you check it out? Put it in your hands.
Whoa! No! Hurry.
The letters.
Yeah, just the letters.
The
That's
letters.
awesome.
That is so cool.
Everybody's just cupping their hands and checking it.
Okay.
It's awesome. You have 2 more?
Mhm.
Wow. That was not fair.
Arrest her.
For real.
What's that, ranch?
I don't know what this is.
It looks like a ranch.
I need that. It's Alfredo sauce.
It's Alfredo sauce. I love Alfredo.
That's awesome.
We haven't seen this one.
No, that
on
was
the
brand new.
list either.
No, it's on the list.
That looks like ranch.
It's on my
Okay.
It's also on my list on here.
Yeah.
Eat that.
Last but not least, and this is the
For
heavy
sure
one.
not
so.
least, man.
Come on, open it.
I think it's a counter or something
Something good.
to build. Oh, no,
Oh.
it's not.
Nothing. There's nothing in there.
There's nothing.
It's in.
I'm kidding. Oh, a pizza sponsor. Come on.
I want Pez so bad too.
Awesome. Alrighty, let's go to Nat. It's Nat's turn. Good luck.
Good roll.
No, you know what?
There you go. That was bad. I don't think this is gonna
Let's
be
see
a
if
good
she got
sip.
any. Start from the bottom then. Do it from the other side.
Nope.
It just wasn't meant to be on that one.
There's a second one.
Where's our prize?
Just wait. You gotta see what the next one is.
Wait a minute.
Oh, good
Oh.
job, good job, good job, good job.
Okay. Okay, where's the thing? Okay, there you go. Should I rip them off too?
Yeah, you want? Can you hand me another cheese?
Huh?
Can you hand me another cheese? They're so good.
There you go.
Thank you.
Okay, let me see which one's the one that doesn't have the. Oh, okay. Oh, this one doesn't. Oh. These do not sound that much.
Whoa.
Save that one for last.
Glass. Look at this one. This one doesn't
That
have
doesn't
that
sound
much.
much. Just a box. Oh man.
That looks like a Pez. This one's the one
No,
that.
this is a candy bar. Open that one first.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
And then this one, because that one doesn't have nothing. Okay, it's so light.
It's so light that it sounds
Yeah.
like a candy bar.
Oh, Mr. Goodbar.
Mr. Goodbar.
Awesome. Isn't that your second one?
No, my first.
Who else had one?
You had one.
Oh, sweet. We match now. Yep, I have this one too.
Okay, now
Awesome.
this one that doesn't sound like nothing.
I hope we all get a chocolate bar today.
Oh my god. Nothing.
The
Just kidding.
menu.
Oh!
My god.
Holy guacamole! Literally. Wow.
That's cool.
That one is awesome. Look at it. You can see the
Really?
guacamole on the inside. Yeah, here, take it.
That's so cool.
That one's awesome.
Green.
And we thought it was nothing.
Should I open this one? Or this
No,
one?
this one last.
Oh, and
it's green.
Oh,
this
these two
one.
last. These two last.
so this one.
All right, let's
And
see it.
how's that possible? It's so cool.
That's
So
so,
cool.
cute too. It
So
looks,
cool.
I thought it was gonna candle at first. Okay, now this one. This one. Where do you open it?
No! No, no, no! Oh, man. You picked the wrong ball. I'm so sorry to tell you. You picked the wrong ball.
I got the little
Oh,
sausage.
my God.
I got,
Oh,
I
my
got a
goodness.
sausage.
I got a good one.
You got a good ball, but you picked the wrong one because this one's awesome.
I want to see that.
Yeah.
It's so heavy.
I
Go ahead. Go
picked the
ahead. Go to
good
the
one.
next one. Oh, my goodness, Natalie.
We were like, how do they do that? Whoa.
Oh, my goodness.
I hope I get the mustard too.
Oh, that'd be
Oh,
cool.
yeah.
That'd be cool. You do have two hard ones next coming up.
Oh, this one's a glow in the
Oh
dark.
my goodness, she got another glow in the dark. Yes, finally, you have both. She's been waiting
Yeah.
for that one. Awesome. Let's
I can't
show
really
hers
get
right
the-
here.
I think I did pick the wrong ball.
That's not your chest. All right, last but not least, let's see it.
Mm-hmm.
Open it up right here. There we go.
Ranch.
Wow. These are good ones.
got the
I should have
good
picked that one.
I'm glad I got these.
You should have.
These were good, huh? These ones were good today. Let's see, my turn.
That's like so lucky.
Let's see, I know.
Like the guacamole. That's so lucky.
What if you were a bad one? I was a bad one.
Alrighty, y'all.
Come on, you can get the good ones.
Let's
Get the
see
good
it.
ones.
Have mine, have mine.
Come on, get the good ones.
Well, you guys left me with the last ball, so if I don't, it's your guys' ball. Come on.
I'll just get one good. Like
Oh yeah, no, there's a good one in here. I shook them before to make sure that there was a hard one. If there's a hard one, it's usually okay.
Still can't believe I got help.
I cannot believe she got the hot dogs, man. Oh my
That's so
goodness.
amazing.
You're so lucky.
it's so
Can't believe
heavy.
we got the glow in the dark.
Oh, both of you guys. Wish me luck. This one's hard. Same this one. That's a box. Box. Hard. Yes. Let's open the one with the menu first. The shopping list, actually. Oh, yeah.
What?
Kraft's American Singles.
The cheese.
Awesome. I love it.
That's good.
Okay. A box.
What?
The Tropical Otter Pops. Yeah. I have these at home.
What?
Here, I'll pass them to you so you can see you. I know you wanted that one. You said it last time.
We used to have these. They're good.
They're good. I just don't like the white one.
Did you get it at Walmart?
You're not getting very good ones, though.
What do you mean? The stovetop one is good. Can you hand me that?
I prefer the ones that I got.
Oh, you got great ones. I'm getting good ones.
I prefer
There's
the
a
one that I
difference.
got.
Yeah. Let me see. Is the stovetop in there? Nope. I was tripping. Well, somebody might give up that Mike and Ike's for me. Don't cry, Natalie.
What?
Don't cry.
Oh!
That's awesome. Here, check it out.
Oh, the last one? Oh, no. It's
No, I have one more, and it's still a good one. It's still a good one. You can hear it. Oh, she's so not even upset. Like, we're all excited for each other. That's the best part. No way.
Mustard!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, these were great today. Today was a great day. 2 thumbs up for sure.
Oh my gosh, I really wanted the sour cream, the mustard, the hot dogs.
Alrighty, y'all. Oh, but real quick, this isn't the same mustard, but look at the size comparison, y'all. It's so crazy. So today I would say 10 out of 10. We got good ones. She's over there going like this. We got good ones today. So definitely check out Mini Brands. Go get some at the store if you don't. And like, comment, subscribe, share, and check out that wish list from Amazon. We would love some more. We are always welcoming more. This is good. I like the hot dog one too. That one's awesome. But that's going to be it for it, y'all. Peace.
Thought we still have